Space. It's the ultimate playground of cosmic wonders. From the incomprehensible vastness to the mind-bending physics, space is a realm that never ceases to amaze. Join me if you dare, as we journey into the abyss and uncover 10 space facts that will leave you utterly speechless. Let's kick things off with the ultimate cosmic monsters, black holes. These gravitational behemoths are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their clutches. Some black holes are so monstrous, so gargantuan, that they could swallow entire solar systems without breaking a sweat. Stars, planets, moons, everything would be devoured, stretched and torn apart by the relentless pull of the black hole's singularity. Once you cross that point of no return, the event horizon, there's no turning back. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with our galactic neighbor Andromeda. In about 4.5 billion years, these two titans will clash in a cosmic dance of epic proportions. Clouds of gas and dust would collide, igniting furious bursts of star formation, painting the cosmos with dazzling displays of light and energy. It's a mind-boggling spectacle, a testament to the immense forces at play in our universe. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova, are among the densest objects in the known universe. Imagine a sphere so incredibly compact that a single teaspoonful of its material would weigh over 1 billion tons. They spin at incredible speeds, some rotating hundreds of times per second, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across the cosmos like cosmic lighthouses. Our neighbor Venus, often called Earth's twin, might seem alluring with its swirling clouds and volcanic landscapes. But don't let its beauty fool you, because Venus is a planet trapped in a runaway greenhouse effect. The atmosphere is a choking mix of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, and the pressure at the surface is equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean. It's a stark reminder that even the most beautiful planets can harbor deadly secrets. The vacuum of space might seem empty, but it's actually teeming with an invisible danger radiation. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles from the sun and distant galaxies, zip through space at nearly the speed of light. In space, these rays can penetrate spacecraft and even human bodies, damaging DNA and increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems. One of the most mind-bending concepts in physics is time dilation, a consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity. It tells us that time is not absolute, but rather it's relative to the observer's motion and the strength of the gravitational field therein. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at over 17,000 miles per hour, actually age slightly slower than people on the ground. Time dilation means that time is not a constant but a fluid dimension that can be warped and stretched by gravity and motion. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is a world that's both eerily familiar and strikingly alien. It's the only moon in our solar system known to have a dense atmosphere, and it's covered in rivers, lakes, and even seas. But there's a catch. These bodies of liquid aren't filled with water, but with methane, a gas that's a major component of natural gas here on Earth. Titan's methane seas are a fascinating example of the diversity of worlds in our solar system, a reminder that life, if it exists elsewhere, might take on forms we can barely imagine. Imagine a planet adrift in the vast emptiness of space, untethered from any star. These celestial nomads, known as rogue planets, wander the cosmos alone, shrouded in perpetual darkness. They drift through interstellar space, their surfaces cold and desolate, their skies devoid of any sun. In the vacuum of space, no one can hear you scream. That's because sound, unlike light, needs a medium to travel. Here on Earth, sound waves travel through the air, vibrating our eardrums and allowing us to hear. But in the vast emptiness of space, there's no air, no medium for sound waves to propagate. Buried beneath the icy plains of Antarctica lies a secret from space, a scar so large it boggles the mind. It's the largest impact crater on Earth, a massive depression over 300 miles wide, formed when an asteroid slammed into our planet millions of years ago. The impact likely played a role in shaping Earth's climate and evolution, leaving an indelible mark on our planet's history. From black holes that defy imagination to rogue planets lost in the void, the universe is an endless source of wonder and terror. So keep looking up, keep questioning, keep exploring. The cosmos awaits, and who knows what incredible discoveries lie just beyond our reach. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we continue our journey into the great unknown.